कि पहली फिल्म होनी चाहिए रोमांटिक, फिर आपको सोलो लीड करना चाहिए, कभी डबल हीरो पिक्चर मत करो, फिर 3 लोग हैं तो भाग जाओ वहां से, यू नो, लाइक वी हर्ड ऑल दिस रिडिकुलस। ऐसा हीरो तो कभी नहीं चलता, जो लगातार लव स्टोरी करता है वो कभी एक्शन नहीं कर पाएगा। ये हमने बहुत सारे रूल्स बनाए रखे हैं, एंड सिनेमा ब्रेक्स रूल्स, दैट्स द होल आइडिया ऑफ सिनेमा। बट देन वी फॉरगेट कि शाहरुख खान भी तो टीवी से आया था। देन वी फॉरगेट कि बच्चन साहब की मतलब वो रेडियो में रिजेक्ट हुए या कहीं और चले गए, फिर वो एंसेम्बल फिल्म में उनकी लॉन्च हुई थी साथ हिंदुस्तानी, फिर वो इतने बड़े स्टार बने। तो कोई ऐसे रूल्स नहीं है। मैं थिएटर का एक्टर था ना, मुझे माध्यम से फर्क नहीं पड़ता था। आई जस्ट वांट टू एक्ट, यू नो, इट डिडंट मैटर टू मी वेयर आई वाज एक्टिंग।
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned into peepingmoon.com, and today we have for the brand new session of Let's Talk with us the man actually who was the Akshay Kumar of Web last year for sure, and I'm hoping by the time we end this year, Akshay Oberoi is again going to keep the crown and the title with him, undoubtedly. Hi Akshay,
Hi Ankita, how are you? What a,
I'm good.
you know, that's so funny. My spot boy keeps joking around with me, Viren, that I am the Akshay Kumar of the web. And it's so funny that you're saying it, because if he was here, he'd laugh so hard. He loves saying that. Thank you for
I
such a
remember,
lovely
yeah,
introduction.
last time when we spoke, I was very clear that you have to have that title because at
I
that time,
remember.
yeah, I remember because at that time there were back-to-back releases. It's
Yeah,
like 6 months and we had you all over.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I'll stick to it.
Sorry. Yeah, you'll stick to it. Thank you. No, I appreciate it. I think that's a great title to have. I'm very honored.
I'll start from the beginning with you. Akshay, you started your journey, it's like almost a decade plus, if we have to start it that way. Was started from theater, you had a debut, and in a strange move, which normally people at that time, when I'm talking almost a decade back, don't do, you decided to even break the particular parameter and did a MTV show as well in the very particular window span. How will you describe that very first entrance into the films via theater and without maybe thinking twice, jumping to the TV as well?
You know, I think Ankita, because of my journey, because I haven't necessarily been sort of molded and guided to have a Bollywood career, I always saw it as a job. You know, I never saw it as much as what I'm entitled to, which means मुझे बड़ी फिल्म मिलनी चाहिए, मुझे बड़ा डायरेक्टर मिलना चाहिए, मुझे लॉन्च होना चाहिए। मैं थिएटर का एक्टर था ना, मुझे माध्यम से फर्क नहीं पड़ता था। आई जस्ट वांट टू एक्ट, यू नो, इट डिडंट मैटर टू मी वेयर आई वाज एक्टिंग। I lucked out from a theater actor who landed a Rajshri film, Suraj Barjatiya film. I just lucked out. But my bad luck was वो चली नहीं. And now nobody in the films want to cast me in their movies because फिल्मों पे पैसा लगता है. So I just took what I got, you know, and I've grown up admiring actors from all over the world, and that's how actors make careers. In Bombay, up until now, अभी सब बिल्कुल change हो चुका है. Like अब तो 360 change है. But when I joined, it was still about launch pads and star sons and nepotism and all these other factors were there. I mean, let's not be in denial of it. That existed, uska वजूद था. So I had to create a career and I had to start my car somehow, you know, because nobody was putting petrol in my tank for me. So when Bijoy called me and said कि तू ये करेगा, I was like बिल्कुल करूँगा, because it was a paid acting job, you know, and that's all that mattered to me. Um, and I still somewhat look at my career that way, you know. I feel like it keeps me very, it makes my choices very, मैं सही choose करता हूँ, मैं गलत चीजें नहीं choose करता हूँ with that mentality. So I've always had that very middle class drive towards my work. You know, I've never felt entitled about it कि I belong somewhere. मैंने तो राजश्री फिल्म की है, मैं टीवी क्यों करूँगा? ये सब मुझे बकवास लगता है और मुझे घिन होती है जब एक्टर्स बोलते हैं, because acting is acting. It doesn't matter what screen you're on. छोटा बड़ा पर्दा ये वो मंच doesn't matter. You're acting. So that was
And it also brings back to the I'm deviating from the next question, but it also brings back this important topic that how conveniently actors forget at times that they are comparing or they want to be compared to a star.
yeah,
You are
yeah,
restricting yourself to a persona, but not to the craft for the love of
yeah.
which you actually came into the business.
Yeah, yeah. So correct. So then what are you after? You after fame and money and limelight? Because then you're not focused on the job. That's like a politician who doesn't care about helping people, but really only wants power or really only wants name and fame. I mean, then what's the point? What are you doing? Then why did you become a politician? Why did you become an actor? Why did you become a doctor who doesn't really, who just wants to, have a name and popularity and money and doesn't really care about helping people? It's a bizarre concept. So it's funny, I get, because we are human beings, वो चीजें हमें lure करती हैं. पैसा हमें सबको आकर्षित करता है यार. Who doesn't like money? Who doesn't like to step out on the streets and have VIP treatment? So sometimes we get lost in the material, kind of things which are deviating, as you very clearly said, from the actual reason you started. That's why sometimes I feel like actors are not the happiest people as they age. The actors who are true to their craft, if you look at, Irfan Saab always has a smile on his face. Till the end of time, he was always
Yeah.
smiling. वो ऐसे मगन
And
लगता था.
even if you ask me today, I think after Irfan Saab, I feel that contentment in Manoj Bajpayee. He
Correct.
doesn't hold the regret. He's
There's
like,
nothing there.
late
Yeah.
आया, success is not something I'm bothered. मुझे काम से मतलब है.
काम से मतलब है तो वो मस्त लगते हैं. डजंट लुक लाइक वो कुछ रेस में भाग रहे हैं और ये भी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो भी कर रहे हैं. उनको सिर्फ एक चीज में, मतलब हिज माइंड इज जस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन वन thing, and it's the authentic thing. It's not the fake things in life. So lots to learn from great people like this.
Actually, then there came a time where your performances were praised. Let's be clear. I remember Pizza got a very good review at that time. You were seen in good films. We had a Piku, we had a Fitur for roles, but I personally love Gurgaon. We
Oh,
have Kala Kandi.
yeah.
We had Kala Kandi going on, but then uh, there was this, as we are discussing, there was this roadblock of sorts. The performances are good, the paths are good, but the paths are not coming. Furthermore, it's not like things are coming to your way. How difficult does it becomes for an actor at that time to go out and seek work repeatedly trying to prove yourself, especially at that time when we are still in that particular, we are talking 6, 7 years back, we were still in that herd mentality, as we call it.
Yeah, yeah. No, a very good question. It was a very difficult time. It was a time of much frustration and anxiety and insecurity, and because you know but see, my wife always tells me your biggest flaw and your biggest strength is the fact that you're relentless. Matlab, you will never give up on anything. So I think that's what carried me through. I think that somewhere I had the confidence of people, like you and the media and critics who had liked my work. So there was that confidence that, okay, I'm just everyone used to say that you're just one film away from being in that where you want to be. And I always remember hearing that, and whether that meant anything or not, or had any value or not, I don't know. But for me, it gave me confidence. It gave me the ability to say, chalo, pick your bags up, go back out the door, go back to knocking on, people's, production houses and saying, hi, I'm that guy who just gave that nice performance in, say, Gurgaon, please cast me. So I've always done this, and it's nothing different, I feel like finally now I'm in a little bit of a different phase of my career. Finally, I mean, I know you'll come to that in your questions, but and now it's a bit easier to deal with. That was a very painful time, and in some degree, I think अगर वो नहीं होता ना, तो again I would deviate off this path. I would have, अगर मेरी फिल्में चल जाती, so today what I'm telling you about focusing on the craft and about focusing on what really matters to me, which is acting, वो सब मैं भूल जाता. Because इंसान का दिमाग भी उस तरह होता है ना, it's very fickle, it runs around like a mouse, so you're constantly chasing things. So I think if there is a pro and con to everything. So the fact that they didn't work and they didn't make me this humongous, box office draw and star and famous, I continued choosing roles like that. And I think when the web showed up, I had the right attitude towards the web because of that. But it was painful. And I use that, a lot of that pain from that period, I use it in my work, because we're actors and we live life. And the more you live life, the more refined or nuanced your performances are. So it's not all bad, but that phase was very painful.
But then that's, I would say, the quality your wife mentions. You're relentless. You channeled your pain into performances because unfortunately we do have seen actors who, yes, who must have started around your time as well. But
Yeah,
many couldn't take up the pain and
yeah,
the
yeah,
constant, I would say, the push that every time you have to go to a casting director and say that,
yeah,
listen, I have done films.
yeah,
Giving an audition is different, and telling a director that I have done these many films can
yeah,
actually be, can that be a demotivating
yeah,
factor,
yeah, it is,
actually,
it
which
is,
we don't
it is.
discuss in general in the
Yeah,
performance arts? Is it
yeah.
like that each time you have to prove yourself?
Yeah, for sure you do, and I think that also works for for the Shah Rukh Khans of the world. You know, every Friday they
Exactly.
have to reprove themselves. So you can imagine, coming down that ladder, how much more you have to just keep proving yourself. And it's so funny how you said that. And I had a flashback to 6 7 years ago, where I had done 3 or 4 films, but they were so unheard of that, or not many people had watched it, because later when OTT and TV started picking up a lot more, these things came on cable and OTT a lot more. But
Exactly.
बॉक्स ऑफिस पे तो चली नहीं थी ये फिल्में. सो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स एंड टेल देम, मैं वो फिल्म का जो एक्टर था. एंड देन अच्छा अच्छा. सो दैट डज मेक, अरे तुम्हें नहीं पता, तुम तो मेरी इंडस्ट्री वाले हो. That is quite, oh man, that when you said it, I had a flashback to 2013. um yeah, tough, that's tough. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know,
Yeah,
it's
that's
very
a conversation which we normally don't have. That's a conversation we
well.
just push
Yeah,
aside.
I think part of that is because the way that we work is, you don't really hear about. I mean, what you're doing is a very fascinating way to interview people, because no one talks about the story leading up to success. People always know after success, the person. I mean, अब Morgan Freeman जैसे actor को ले लो, जो हम, I think he was 55 when the audience found out about him. Now he's 18, he's been acting for 30 years, but it took him that long. So we always know of Morgan Freeman as an old man. You've never seen a young Morgan Freeman, because success के पहले कोई बात ही नहीं करता कि तुम कहाँ थे, क्या किया आपने. Even somebody like a Pankaj Tripathi today, we forget all the work he's
Yeah.
done. We only talk about where he is now forward. So it's very fascinating what you're doing. I appreciate this kind of a structure to an interview. I think it's very important.
I think it is because I can't go to your success directly without asking how exactly you reached to a point where today we are sitting here and talking. It
And
is
that's the
equally,
more
I
fun.
would say, and it's equally the partial blame, I would say, even a media should also take on a behalf, uh,
Sure,
that at least
sure.
I can talk about myself.
I'm
That
glad you admit
how
that. Very true.
how early or how easy was earlier to get an interview with you?
Yeah.
Were we
Yeah.
willing? Was the, so the blame game is not as easy as it looks.
I
Everyone has their
appreciate
share in
you. I
it.
appreciate you recognizing that. That is very true. That is very true, and an important thing that media houses should. I'm glad you guys are doing it.
I'll come to the now the part which actually started changing. It took good 5 6 years, as we spoke. Web happened. You discovered web. I would be saying that you discovered the space when it was still in the teething stage. And I remember there was this lot of uproar when Saif did Sacred Games and people were like, career khatam ho gaya hai, to aap web pe chale gaye hain. But there were a very few bunch of courageous actors. I would call you, even Pankaj at that time took the leap of faith. That let's try. It's again a medium of performance arts. We can definitely do it. We had, it's not that simple. Uh, I guess I remember selection day. I really loved your
Election day,
character that
test case.
particularly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then the flow of work kept on coming. That's what 2020 turned out to be, that particular year, which I would say, as coming back to our previous discussion, that now you might not have to go to a director and say that this is what I have done,
Yeah. Thank
because the
God.
name and the credibility counts. But this journey of 4 years cracking web, when web was actually not again an option for the audience around us, how was it? How you made your way through web?
I saw web as a big opportunity, because it was perfect for people like me who we're not getting films, you know, non-stop. And the best way to get better at what you do is to keep doing it. The more you interview people, the better you become at interviewing. The more I act for camera, the better I become at it. The more somebody plays cricket, the better they become a cricket. Practice makes perfect, as they say. So I knew that जिस रफ्तार से फिल्में मिल रही मुझे, मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मतलब एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, फिर 6 महीने का गैप है, फिर और एक फिल्म आती है. I wanted to just work. I wanted to play everything, and you know, I want to catch up and make my skills better. And the web gave that, you know, because web पे पहले किसी को पता नहीं था कि क्या चलने वाला है. So they tried everything, you know, which is why I've been able to play a flesh trade, you know, trader, or a nashedi baz, or a sportsman, or a lawyer, or a army man. I've been able to play so many parts because people were writing and throwing things left, right, and center. It was a big, like a big burst of energy that, you know, a lot of money went into, and a lot of very talented writers and directors who again were sort of unemployed by the movie business, who just got picked up by all these powerful people like Ekta Kapoor and, you know, the likes of her, and, you know, American companies like Netflix and Amazon and Disney and all these companies came in and they were picking up talent because the big stars though didn't have time or the, you know, bandwidth to do web. So it came to people whose work was appreciated, be it a writer, director, or actor. And I saw that the people involved are very talented people. And I've always sort of chased that. You know, I haven't chased a lot of other things. I would do a film just because of good actors in the film, because I want to work from that with that actor and I'll learn from that actor. So I was chasing these things and I saw that the web was picking up these kind of people. तो मैं घुस गया. मैंने कहा ये तो फ्यूचर होगा ही होगा एक ना एक दिन. आज लोग हंसेंगे, क्या कर रहे हो तुम, फिल्मों का ट्रैक छोड़ दिया तुमने, अब क्या होगा. बट हमारी लाइन में ये चीजें बहुत कही जाती है, अब क्या होगा. बट देन वी फॉरगेट कि शाहरुख खान भी तो टीवी से आया था. देन वी फॉरगेट कि बच्चन साहब की, मतलब वो रेडियो में रिजेक्ट हुए या कहीं और चले गए, फिर वो ensemble फिल्म में उनकी लॉन्च हुई थी साथ हिंदुस्तानी, फिर वो इतने बड़े स्टार बने. तो कोई ऐसे रूल्स नहीं है. और हमने बॉलीवुड में बहुत सारे रूल्स बनाए रखे हैं कि पहली फिल्म होनी चाहिए रोमांटिक, फिर आपको सोलो लीड करना चाहिए, कभी डबल हीरो पिक्चर मत करो, फिर 3 लोग हैं तो भाग जाओ वहां से. यू नो, लाइक वी हर्ड ऑल दीज रिडिकुलस. ऐसा हीरो तो कभी नहीं चलता. जो लगातार लव स्टोरी करता है वो कभी एक्शन नहीं कर पाएगा. ये हमने बहुत सारे रूल्स बनाए रखे हैं. एंड सिनेमा ब्रेक्स रूल्स. दैट्स द होल आइडिया ऑफ सिनेमा. You know, till date we have directors and you know, doing path breaking stuff and, you know, doing things that nobody's seen, and वो जाके चलती हैं चीजें. So I knew that if I have to do something different, because otherwise I'll never be able to create a space for myself amongst all these, you know, talented backed big stars. मैं तो कभी कुछ कर नहीं पाता. So I jumped at this and I'm so blessed that I did it. नहीं तो I don't know where I'd be.
But if I have to say about the talented stars, even if we talk about not naming anyone, but I know a couple of them for sure who have repeatedly said that we are a victim of our own image. It's so difficult now to shed what we are doing on screen, because if we try to do something different, either the producer rejects or the
Yeah,
audience rejects.
yeah,
Like we have to romance. Like it's inevitable, even if we don't want to anymore.
sure.
And I think even as stars, actors per se are paying the price of it. You
Yeah,
have to be courageous enough to break that circle.
yeah. You know, somebody asked me recently. I was with a friend of mine, and you know, they said something about, you know, your work is always appreciated and you're always, you know, talked about in circles, in especially people who watch a lot of content. They always talk about कितना अच्छा एक्टर है. तेरे को कभी बुरा नहीं लगता कि तू उस, मतलब किसी का नाम लेकर के, जो मैं रिपीट नहीं करूंगा, कि तू उससे बड़ा स्टार क्यों नहीं है. And I said, you know, sometimes that does bother me, but other times I realize that because of where I am, because I'm not Shah Rukh Khan. See, शाहरुख खान में बहुत सारा पैसा लगता है, बहुत बड़े स्टार है, बहुत सारे लोग देखते हैं उन्हें, बहुत सारा प्रेशर है उनके ऊपर. जब उतना लाइमलाइट आपके ऊपर नहीं है ना, तो एक एक्टर का वो भी गोल्डन पीरियड होता है. बिकॉज देन यू कैन रियली एक्सप्लोर. बिकॉज राइट नाउ किसी का इमेज नहीं है कि अक्षय ओबरॉय सिर्फ कॉमेडी करता है. नहीं, वो पता नहीं वो क्या करेगा. मे बी ही विल डू दिस, मे बी विल डू दैट. आई सी हिज स्टफ ऑन वेब. सो इट गिव्स यू दिस रेंज टू प्ले अराउंड इट. अगर मैं बहुत जल्दी बहुत फेमस हो जाता ना, तो मेरे साथ भी होता कि सिर्फ ऐसे रोल में अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, या यू नो, ये यंग एक्टर आया है, वो रोमांटिक कॉमेडीज करता है, उसी में अच्छा लगता है, एक्शन करता है तो बड़ा वो गंदा लगता है. यू नो, that starts to happen when it's early. When you're young and it hasn't really happened to you, you're able to go stretch yourself. You're able to go try 100 different things, you know. And I think that really kind of shape, which character actors always have, you know, because character actor kabhi really image nahi banti thi. Abhi to, you know, now you have different type of character actors who can play all sorts of parts and leading
Yeah,
men.
finally they can. Like otherwise, unfortunately, even the bestest of actors, for example, Paresh Rawal Saab was categorized just into those comic
Comedy,
roles for the
comedy, comedy,
longest
comedy, comedy.
time.
Yeah, forever.
But I think he makes one of the best villains if you give him to be. Like he can
Absolutely, and he
be.
will, because people who understand comedy understand tragedy that much better than you know, non-comedians. So anyway, matlab, long story short, I think that is a very interesting point, that especially the web, on top of the fact that, you know, not being a Shah Rukh Khan and having that, the web also allows for it, because the audience for the web wants that. They don't want कि आप एक ही type की चीज करते रहो. They want it because they're interested in new stories and new content. So the audience is
Exactly.
also pushing actors into that कि तुम ये भी try करो, हम ये भी देखेंगे, हम वो भी देखेंगे.
But actually, there's the commercialization of web, which nobody saw coming. Of course, an unfortunate situation like lockdown did give OTT the kind of rocket boost which nobody ever thought would have happened ever. I
Yeah,
would, I, I'm sorry, it might sound insensitive. That is not how I mean it to be. But had it not been for the lockdown, it would have taken another 5 years for web
easy, easy,
to
easy, easy, easy.
people to, or people like, big giants, those Amazons and or Netflix kinds, to foothold, to get the foothold with India. Now it's, I think web is the new big game.
Yeah, yeah,
It's,
yeah, yeah.
but do you think the commercialization of OTT content will also be detrimental to a fact that we might fall trapped into again selling mediocrity on OTT?
Oh, I like how you put that. Yes, absolutely. I won't deny that it happens, but that happens with every major industry. The second you more money is thrown at it, more expectations are there. People's stocks are attached to it. You know, bottom lines are attached to it. Yes, it always gets more and more commercialized. I would not be surprised in the next couple of years if, जैसे फिल्मों में एक होता है ना, वी ऑल नो कि एक आइटम नंबर, एक एक्शन सॉन्ग, एक ये एक वो, हम एक से लिस्ट होती है ना, मजाक के तौर पे लोग कहते हैं, वो ओटीटी का भी दौर आएगा. Because now OTT is exploding in a big way, and we now have so much data, because the best part about OTT is, you know, ki how long did that person watch, did they leave, did they check their phone, you know,
Yeah.
the weird data that
You know bloody everything about the
you know
consumption
everything.
of
You
the
can literally,
content.
you can track everything about it, so we know exactly what people watch, what engages them more, how many minutes they are engaged for on a general basis. तो इतनी सारी जानकारी आपको थिएटर में कभी मिलेगी नहीं, because आप हर एक आदमी को देख नहीं रहे हो, right? Or at least you're not getting statistics or data through the web on them. Here we have everything, so pretty soon we'll have such kadak data in another year or two of exactly what age bracket and demographic of the country is watching what type of content, that we will definitely start making. ये बहुत चलता है, ऑलरेडी सुनने में आ रहा है कि ऐसी चीजें बहुत चलती हैं वेब पे, तो हम भी सोच रहे हैं हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम भी एक धमाकेदार उस तरह का शो करेंगे. So I hear these stories all the time, and that's what's happening, and it will happen. That's what happens. um, I think we might be a bit more protected here, because the best part about what happens on OTT is it's the first time in India where one man watches one show. It's not a full family affair. कोई अपने स्मार्टफोन पे बैठ के अपने कमरे में कुछ देख रहा है, तो उसकी माँ अपने टैबलेट लेके कहीं और
कुछ
बैठ
और
के कुछ
देख रही
और
हैं,
देख रही
yeah.
है. So now we are finally not making one fits all, which is what Bollywood's been forever. One size fits all. एक फिल्म आएगी, टेंटपोल फिल्म रहेगी, पूरी मतलब पूरा देश देखेगा as a family. Chalo, that should still happen, because you know, family is an important thing, but this is the ability to make more types of stories, because 1.3 billion people will like 1.3 different 1.3 billion different things. You know, one size fits all does not work for such a large country.
And I also see it from the fact that it also give opportunities to the another, let's say, a 10 lakh people who need that kind of break and the platform to be,
Absolutely.
which unfortunately we all know there are talented people outside,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
They can't get the breakthrough because, as we said, with due respect, films is a big business. There is too much of money to ride it on anyone. And I have seen OTT give break to some of the very, very promising names, which I don't think any would have elsewise pegged.
No, that would not have happened because this was real meritocracy. This was not somebody's, khandani push or connection push or some hype. Sometimes media hype also creates stars. This was
It's a
real
part of.
merit. Yeah, it's a part of the game. This was like real merit, whether it was a Pratik Gandhi or, there's so many names that people who just came up.
I think Pratik Gandhi was the best example you could have picked for
It's
this
a great example.
conversation.
Yeah.
16 years. He says that people say, वाह भाई scam किया, and I'm like 16 साल लग गए आपको scam मिल गया. बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है, but it doesn't ring like that for me. It took me 16 years that he
It
could
took me
notice.
16 years, yeah, and then like, what about all the other great work he's done? I mean, that's the way it is, though. But and so happy that he had the web to give him that platform, his talent.
Yeah,
that
and I'm again happy for what that matter you. Today we are sitting that we have that platform where we can talk to the actor, despite of the fact that we have to compare someone's success to the box office numbers.
Yeah,
That's not the only parameter.
what a blessing, what a blessing. And हमेशा इंडिया में ऐसे कहते थे ना कि सिर्फ 10 एक्टर हैं, एंड वही 10 एक्टर रिपीट होते जाते हैं. वो मतलब पूरी दुनिया में ऐसे लोग बात करते हैं हमारी सिनेमा के बारे में. एंड देन वी ऑलवेज से हॉलीवुड में कितने लाइक एक एक्टर ने छोड़ दिया तो पिक्चर बंद नहीं हुई. यू कैन रिप्लेस इट विद 30 डिफरेंट एक्टर्स. Finally that's happening in India too, it's also a good thing.
Yeah, and I think it's also given to the fact that you don't write a role keeping an actor in mind. You
Yeah,
cast an actor keeping the role you
Performance
have written in mind.
Yeah.
I think it's the
I'd
change
say-
of
Yeah.
we
हमने
have
प्रतीक
to
गांधी
just
की तारीफ की. We have to also say Hansan Mehta, hats off to you, and directors like Love Ranjan who take newcomers. इतने बड़े डायरेक्टर के होने के बावजूद भी,
yeah, Hansen could have easily picked anyone.
anyone would have done scam for him. Anyone would have
Like
done.
for that matter, Patal Lok, anyone could have been picked for Jaideep's part, I feel.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it was the most unusual choice. And I would consider him the find of the year for me. As I always tell him that I would have discovered a Jaideep Palawat the way now the nation knows him.
Now the way the nation knows him, absolutely. That's so true. And such a big platform, they could have taken anyone if they wanted. But they made a real authentic. See, that's the thing when you choose authentically, na. Anything you do honestly in life, it always leaves a certain taste, And audiences are smart enough to smell that. They know when a choice is authentic and when it's banauti because you had other capitalistic pressures on you. And see, that casting choice, both of these, Pratik Gandhi and Jaideep Palawat, both smell so authentic and so correct. Like आपने actually इसकी casting की है,
You
आपने
went out,
ढूंढा
you
ये
searched, and both the projects backed by some of the very big names, which was equally encouraging. That there is hope always.
I do not disagree at all with what you're saying. Very correct.
Do you realize आपके एक particular answer दिया हुआ to a question in another interview became headlines for the entire last week?
Yeah, I know. So I got that.
You got that?
और suddenly मैंने Instagram खोला and I was just like, oh my God, what is this? But yes, go on.
No. Why I'm asking is because I honestly, personally, never read anything regarding to you and Vivek previously, frankly. And it came as a surprise to me also because knowing, of course, whatever the relation is, because we are part of the business, you never spoke about it in a manner to capitalize on something which you were easily, which comes in the part of family. It's not like, of course, nobody capitalizes on family, but you never even spoke about it in a manner. And I would like to rather ask it from the different angle. You have been blatant about the nepotism debates. You have been very open when you talk to me about it. Do you think at the end of the day, it's a double-edged sword? Because it just happened with you. You spoke about something and it just completely spinned off on a different tangent.
Yeah. So, it's a tough one to answer. So, I think I look at it two ways. I think that I'm very glad that whatever happened to me happened. That so because of certain relationships and certain situations, I did everything on my own, and I never used that connection, or I never said anything, or I never, named anyone. But also, it gave me value for what I really, really, whatever I gained in life, I had extreme value for. I hold on to things that I achieved so closely. I know I can't slip. I have to keep working as hard as I did yesterday. I have to have that level of passion if I want to survive. तो वो मुझे सीख मिली है by making it on my own. Sure, it could have been easier. Maybe it would have been faster. Maybe the climb would have been bigger. Had I had access. I didn't have access. It's not like I said no. I didn't have access to whatever had been achieved by my family. It was pretty much said ki tu kar apna, and I'm grateful for it. And as I said in that interview, also I'm deeply respecting of both their talents. I think they're wonderful actors, and I'm so glad that they had the courage to be actors, because somewhere it might have inspired me to even try.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that I do this for a living. So no regrets on that angle. But to coming to your point of double-edged sword, yeah, I mean, these things are it's a very it's a very difficult thing. I think that, see, Ranbir Kapoor won't be Ranbir Kapoor if he wasn't a very good actor. He is Raj Kapoor's son, so Sanjay Leela Bhansali launched him.
But he could have been written off in the very first film.
Completely, right after, that film didn't work, yet he became who he became, because he's a powerful
He's a
artist.
good actor. You can't take that away. Like,
You
with due
cannot.
respect, you
cannot.
can't take that away.
So I think the industry has a great way of filtering out people they don't like anyway, so or people who are not that talented anyway. So I think nepotism just gives you a head start, and that's okay. Yeah, I mean, that's like, I'm totally cool with that. I don't think that head start works for everyone, because not everyone also has the ability to handle that much fame at 26. Some people have a better, ability to digest it later.
Yeah, unfortunately, we do have some really good human beings I know of who couldn't handle their first start, and they say that it was too overwhelming. The pressure was too immense that we totally collapsed.
Absolutely. I also think it's a double-edged sword, because as you become more popular, people want to know more about you. So at first, people didn't know that I never brought it up, and neither did my family. So no one knew I was related to anybody. Now that my work is out there and more people are interested, now people want to know, oh, is he married? Oh, is he is he
He
from
has
that?
a kid.
Does he have a
He's
kid?
related to whom?
Oh, yeah. So these things, and I'm seeing them happen in front of me, which is kind of fun. It's kind of fun to see it now, after so much.
Now, yeah.
To see like, up to mentor na 10 saal
This
se
could
zyada
have been a 2011 conversation happening in 2021. That's totally different.
Totally different, absolutely. So I just find it fascinating that that was a headline, because I was just like, guys, I've been here for 12 years. My first one released in 2010. मैं तब से हूँ, और अब तुम लोग headline इसके ऊपर डाल रहे हो.
That's what I said. That's why I laughed off. Like, and like, I had an idea, but then why to bring it up something if someone is not talking about it? Like,
मतलब 12 साल बाद. But that's the way it is. I just find it funny. So, but that's the way it is.
And lastly, Akshay, before we part ways, what's next? What are you looking for as an actor? Not like the projects which are coming, but what are you looking for now? You have tried your hands in multiple roles. I personally love, I think, the negative you. It just goes completely contrast to what you are in general.
Yeah, so true. Thank you for saying that.
But what is Akshay, the actor, seeking out for in the universe? What is it for you?
I've always had this approach of trying to do something different every single time, and like really putting that out there in the universe कि चलो अब ये कर लिया, अब कुछ और कराओ. अब comedy try करो, अब love story try करो. ये dark चीजें तो मैं बहुत कर रहा हूँ वैसे भी. But sometimes with negative characters, you get the most chance to explore, because it's because the layer and the gehrai of those characters are so much कि कुछ अलग निकलता ही है. Like Flesh was something I could have never imagined a writer conceiving of. Then for me to be able to go in there and take my spin on it, so much fun, yeah. And I'm not a creepy character like that at all, but I got to play him. So I constantly am just telling the universe कि कुछ नया ले आओ, because मुझे उसकी भूख है. Like I really, when I get scared from a part, when someone pitches me something and says ki, this is the kind of part it is, and I'm suddenly like, how am I going to do this? I'm never going to do this. I'm going to fail at this. Is when I get really excited. So I am putting that out there. They send me more material like that I can really dive into, chew and enjoy and feel scared about and nervous about and wonder if I'm going to let my audience down, because that is when I feel like I'm at my best, when that kind of challenge is there. So I hope something like that comes, very soon.
I asked you this question for a selfish reason also, because Family Man 2 just came out. While the world is raving about Manoj, there are zero doubts. He's amazing.
Yeah.
What an interesting observation for me for Family Man 1 and 2 has been Raj and DK managed to create a super villain universe also.
Yeah.
The villains are like menacing, like,
True.
and it gets bigger and better. And with the parts you are doing, example, when we talk about Flesh for that matter, it also gives us the scope that let not web be just about the hero bashing the villain. We also
Yeah.
can have the villains coming
Yeah.
out and
Yeah.
being that one show, even if they are bad, ugly, dirty, then they are
Yeah.
the way they are.
Take like a Narcos, like Pablo Escobar is not a good dude.
He's not a good guy.
He's not a good guy, but why does he connect with so many people? Because these kind of characters are very intriguing to people. I mean, राम की स्टोरी हमने बहुत सुना है बचपन से, but वो रावण की स्टोरी बहुत कम लोग फोकस करते हैं, and that's interesting because it's a whole separate layer of society that we don't really have access to, or don't meet on a daily basis. So it's incredibly fascinating, and you're right. I also hope that people put out more.
I also hope that if at all we can put it in universe, we can have the character like Flesh to have its own kind of
Man, if there's a
story to tell.
like a spin-off, oh, that'd be great. Mamta Anand and Siddhartha Anand, who produced it, I constantly we used to joke to them, "Iska spin-off banega na Taj ka," because I'd love to have a Taj standalone.
Yeah, to know exactly how someone
Uski
became
backstory kya hai? Yeah, because
equally,
we've done all that work. Even Mamta Anand, Sid's wife, who produced the show, she's also done a lot of research about this character. She has a lot in her head. So I mean, and same with Danish Aslam. तो मैं उनको अक्सर बोलता हूँ, इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद आपको इसकी बचपन की स्टोरी नहीं बताओ तो क्या फायदा? So maybe I can convince
Chalo,
them.
let's with this interview put it out in universe.
Yeah,
you never know.
maybe I can convince them one day, and maybe through this interview to actually do it.
But thank you, Akshay. This is the kind of chat I look forward to, and I'm looking forward to meeting you once this screen pandemic is over.
Seriously, मतलब बहुत हो गया ये.
बहुत हो गया.
बहुत हो गया. I can't wait
Hoping to
for
see you soon.
I mean,
Definitely.
Nobody liked Coven season 2. Season 1 भी लोगों को इतना पसंद नहीं आया. Season 2 तो पूरा flop है.
Season 2 नहीं हो पाएगा. We don't need definitely another third season for this.
That we should stop the show.
Stop. But thank you, Akshay. Thank you for the work. Thank you for being honest. As I would say, it's very, very rare that somebody wants to talk about the things which, as I said, we easily brush under the carpet. Thank you so much.
Thank you for asking questions that make me want to be honest with you. So I really enjoyed the interview, and I hope we'll meet very soon and do more of these chats.
Definitely. Thank you. I'll take a leave.
Thank
Bye.
you. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.